Hi, this is Ivan with Simple Sheets. In this video, we're going to do a step-by-step tutorial of our Employee Appraisal Template. This is one of over 100 pre-built and smart templates that we offer. Click the link in the description and try 5 free templates before you buy. Before we get started, help us grow our channel by giving us a thumbs up if you like this video, and by subscribing to Simple Sheets. The introduction sheet contains a short description about this template. Over here, we have a customization difficulty, an explanation of the sheets that come with this template, and some instructions on how you can utilize this template. At the bottom, we have a short guide on using our templates with compatible online services. The employee is one of the most important stakeholders in any business. They are literally the hands that serve the customers and clients and bring home the bacon. Having a way to objectively assess your employee's performance is a huge step towards process improvement and the measurement of growth or lack thereof. We start in the database sheet. It's here where we input all our company standards such as our employees, their codes, department, titles, gender, job type, hiring date, age, and salary. To be able to use the drop-down lists in some of these columns, populate the sub-fixed list to the right. List down here the departments, titles, genders, job types, and skill levels. In the shop calendar, input the number of working days per month. Lastly, input your penalty deduction rate per day here. After that, we can move over to our raw data sheet. In here, we log down the performance of all our employees. Just remember to only input data in the columns with the black headers. These are the date, employee name, penalty days, skill level, working days, KPI percentage achieved, and salary increment if any. After you've logged down all your data, head over to the dashboard sheet. Here we have some highlighted metrics such as the total employees and the gender ratio, the job types, and the salaries. You also get the ratings per title, skill level, and age analysis. To the right, you also have some general stats such as the penalties, absence rate, KPI percentage, performance, and total increment per gender. You get the KPI achieved per department, performance progress over time, absence rate over the months, salary increment rate percentage, and overall salary per job title. To the right, you have an area where you can compare the appraisal between two employees by simply inputting the employee numbers in these areas right here. And you have the data laid out for you side by side here. You have an array of slicers to help you better represent your data. You can filter by date range using this timeline slicer, by gender, job type, skill level, department, title, and employee code. Whenever you add new data, hit the refresh macro button. If you want a larger work area, click the full screen macro button. That's all for this template. If you want to automate your Excel processes and enhance your level of productivity, Simple Sheets Advanced Templates and University is the best tool out there. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to Simple Sheets for more Excel content. I'll see you guys on the next one.